everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to move League of Legends to another drive. So first you need to go to your file explorer and locate your Riot client. So mine is in C, right there, Riot Games. You just wanna copy this and copy it to your another drive, and what you wanna do is after you have copied it to your new drive, you wanna delete it from your current drive and go back to another drive where you have it now. So from here, you wanna copy its location, and here in League of Legends, you wanna go to properties, and here starting you wanna paste the path and apply, then OK. And that's how you basically move League of Legends to another drive. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, do subscribe the channel.